Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a term that relates to a serious and often life-threatening condition encountered in emergency medical situations. Let's break down this word to better understand its pronunciation. We may pronounce it as suffocation, suffocation, suffocation. Suffocation. It refers to the inability to breathe due to a lack of oxygen, which can result from choking, drowning, or being in a confined space. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about suffocation, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.